Welcome to your Science 5 Lesson 3, the Digestive System. What is digestion? Objectives for this lesson: memorize keywords and their brief overviews for this lesson. Answer independently worksheets activity pages. Materials for this are your Science 5 Set 1 worksheet, and you can either use your phone, laptop, or an iPad, and your science notebook. And these are the things that you're going to do. First is to read pages 44 to 45 on your Science 5 worksheet. Get the idea of each keywords. Watch the video about digestive system and digestion. Memorize it. Search online other images with the same meaning. Save on your device and answer quick check pages 44 and 45 on your worksheets. And in your worksheets, these are the pages that you're going to answer later on, so take note of these pages. Now let's watch the video about the digestive system and digestion.
Hello friends, and welcome to a new happy learning video. Today we're going to learn about the digestive system and digestion. So that our body can make the most of the food we eat, it must first transform itself into a simple substance called nutrients. These nutrients are then transported by our blood around our body to be used and converted into energy. This food transformation process is called digestion and is done in the digestive system. The digestive system is a very long tube through which the food travels and is made up of the following parts. The mouth, this is where the digestive journey begins. The teeth both chop and grind up the food we eat. Once it has been made into a ball, it is pushed down the food pipe to the pharynx. The pharynx is a cavity which shares the digestive system with the respiratory system. It is from the pharynx that the food goes to the esophagus. The esophagus is a soft muscular tube that moves food further down to the stomach. The stomach is a widening of the digestive tube. It creates a movement which allows food with a mixture of gastric fluids. Once this process has been done, it then travels to the small intestine. The small intestine is called small because of its width, not its length. It is actually a lot longer than the large intestine, measuring up to 7 meters in length, almost as wide as a football goal from post to post. Well, it is here in the small intestine where the food digestion journey ends. Now it is up to fluid processes by two glands, the liver and the pancreas, to finalize the transformation from foods to nutrients. Once the food is converted into nutrients, they then traverse the small intestine's walls and filter into our blood, where they are then made good use of by all of our body cells. But what happens to the food that our body doesn't need? All that, such as fiber for example, is transferred into the large intestine. The large intestine is a thick tube which accumulates substances which our organism cannot digest, and it is where water from these substances is absorbed. The substances then form fecal matter, or what we call poop, and it comes out of the anus. It sounds a little bit disgusting, but that's how our body works. Anyway, friends, I hope you found the digestive system and digestion as interesting as I did. See you later, and don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning.
So it's hands-on time. So for your activity 3A, you're going to have a self-video presentation with prosody. First is you're going to memorize the keywords, their definitions and functions. Then you're going to ask someone to take a video of yours while memorizing and explaining the keywords. Present it in a unique way. You can either present it in talk show, newscasting, poem, or etc. Then watch the video sample on your class wall. Find a quiet spot with plain background. Upload the Dojo as activity 3A and click submit. For your activity 3B, it's quick check questions. You are going to answer quick check pages 44 and 45 on your worksheets. Take a picture of your answered page, upload to Dojo as activity 3B, click submit, and take note, you can use video editor depending on what kind of presentation you're going to make. Right? Enjoy and have fun!